Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to generate AAB file in Android Studio, so let's get started. Let my friend go through.
Thank you for your words, Joe. So let's get started. Open Android Studio. So I have created a small project here, new project, a sample project. And thing you need to do is you need to click on Build, Generate Signed Bundle or APK. So select AAB, Android App Bundle. Or if you want to generate APK to check if the app is working fine or not, you can generate APK, or you can generate Android App Bundle AAB to upload in Google Play Store. So select AAB and click on Next, and here you need to create a new key store path. So let's select the path. So I'll save the key store in my user drive. So let me name it as key store sample. You can name anything you like. Sample. And let me give password. This and this should match. And you can change this alias, or you can just keep it as default. Let me change this. Let's change it to key store. And let me give password for here too. It will be good if you change this and this password, or else you can keep same for both. It doesn't matter. That depends on you. And your first and last name. And if you want, you can fill this all: city, state, organization, organizational, unit, everything. So let me just fill my country code, and that's enough for me. So IN name and IN is enough. And validate here. How many years should the APK should work? AAB should work. So 26 years the AAB will work. After that you need to generate a new AAB file. So it will be good if you give like a bigger amount of years if you're planning to publish it for commercial use. So let me just give that 50. And okay, as you can see, password and the alias name and the key store, everything is there. So you need to click on, you can just click on remember password for the next time. Okay, you need to specify just create a folder, and let me just go here to use this. You can select any folder you like and click on if you're releasing it, you want to release or just for debug. You need to check how the APK is AAB is working. If it's okay or not, you can just debug it. But it's APK, it's AAB. You can check it in mobile too, so you can just release it. So after finish, as you can see, it will just file will be generated. So let's wait until it is completed. So yeah. So it's done now. As you can see, generate signed bundle. So if you click on this icon here, you can see a locate button. So and it will take you to the folder where the AAB file is saved. So this is the folder where AAB file is saved, and as you can see here, the AAB file is generated successfully. So this is how you can generate AAB file in Android Studio. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Please supporting, guys. Thank you.